You notice what it says on that can at the bottom?
Cheap fun. That was my nickname in high school.
Get it!
Everybody, welcome back to Cocktail Corner. We are making some cocktails that we've gotten inspiration from the World Wide Web, Instagram, Facebook, things like that. And we're putting our own little riffs on them. And today I thought I'd like to make for you guys a drink that I found that was called the Bermuda Hundred. It's not exactly the same recipe, but I'm going to do my own little riff on it, and you guys can play around with it as well and tell us what you like. But it's a gin cocktail. We're going to use Holy Stone Bosun's gin. This is a Navy strength, so it brings a little bit of a higher ABV to the drink, and which is excellent. And some Campari, which is a very bitter Italian liqueur that is very interesting in cocktails, and it brings its own unique flavors. I've not had this before. I've made some variations of it, but we're going to make one today, and we're going to see how it tastes together. So it's a shaken cocktail. Most of our cocktails, shaken cocktail. So we're going to go ahead and build it in here. We are going to do 1.5 ounces of gin. And like I said, Holy Stone is a local distillery for us, and whenever we can, we like to, showcase a local distillery. And this is an excellent buy if you ever get a chance. I'd highly recommend it. To this, we're going to do 1.5 ounces of pineapple, and I just pre-measured it out here. And 1/2 ounce of lime. And 3/4 ounce of Campari. Campari makes your cocktails nice, bright, and red, which is pretty awesome. Put that in there. And then we are also going to use 1/2 ounce of orgeat, which is an almond syrup. This is a Bar Daddy brand that we like to get from a local place called Caputo's. Check them out, they're awesome too. And we're gonna shake. So let's throw some ice in here. Oh. Bring the Midwest out in me, huh? We'll give it a shake. And then we're going to strain this into a rocks glass, but we're going to throw some ice in here as well. And the Campari makes it a nice pink color. And then for a garnish for this one, we're going to do some maraschino cherries. These are Luxardo maraschino, the best cherries. We're just going to dip those right down inside there. And that's it. That's my riff on the drink called the Bermuda 100. Let's see how it is. Oh wow, that's really good. Wow, that's not, those aren't flavors I thought that would be there. They're I thought it would be would have a really strong pineapple flavor to it, and it really doesn't. It's really subdued. Pineapple tends to take over drinks, in my opinion, when you put it in there. It's definitely there, you can taste it, but it's very mellow. It's actually the Campari and the Orgeat that I taste the most. A nice, it's bitter. It has a drying effect on your mouth, and then the almond flavor comes through with that. But it really is nice. The gin's there. Obviously, you can taste the gin. Very botanical. It's got the alcohol content that brings it to the drink, that makes it a cocktail. But overall, it's a very, it's not unpleasantly bitter, but it's nice, almondy, a little bit of fruit from the juices, but altogether, that's really tasty. I'm quite impressed with that. Yeah, I highly recommend that one. Give it a try and let us know what you think. If you come up with some riffs or some different ideas on the cocktail, let us know in the comments below. And like always, we ask that you hit the like button if you haven't, and subscribe if you're not already. Check out the links in the descriptions below for some awesome offers and deals from affiliates. And yeah, we hope to catch you again on the next one. Thanks a lot, guys. Keep the spirit.